Hello to friends and welcome to my channel. In this video I would like to share with you an update on my ARTAI paint rack, which I have previously shared here on my channel. So back then and I was telling you that something probably is damaged or got damaged. Yes, it got, and while in transport one of these lips here broke off, so this one and also another one, so I had to just basically glue them together and make a little bit of stabilizer here. But anyway, that is just a minor problem, so that is nothing you couldn't fix yourself. So overall you have a really nice, large, bulky presentation. You will get 1, 2, 3, 4 these racks for your Games Workshop Citadel paint pots, but also you can use any kind of Vallejo and Army Painter and dropless type bottles here. Also you have this part here, which you can, I try to, let me be careful not to drop all the, so this is the brush rack, so you can fit here different styles, different sizes, sorry about that, of brushes. It will fit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 brushes. Overall you can use it separately. If you don't want the rack, you can just discard it. I have mainly bought it for the brush rack or brush stand here, but maybe I will use also the paints while I'm doing a project. So you can see this will attached here, and we have already a large presentation overall size of the product. So overall I would say a nice product. It went together really well without any kind of problems. These laser cut MDF panels are decent, and they also have a nice smell, because basically it's a wood product. Yeah. Overall, just an update. If you have any questions, please leave comments down below. I'm happy to reply as soon as I can, and wish you a wonderful day. See you soon. Bye.